Imagine you are at the pharmacy, looking at your pet's prescription. You see a name that seems unfamiliar and wonder if it is the same medication you have used before, or if it is something entirely new. It is perfectly normal to feel a little confused, especially when ensuring your beloved companion gets the right care. Identifying pet medication brand names primarily involves looking for the proprietary name on the prescription label or packaging, often accompanied by the generic or active ingredient name. Brand names are created by pharmaceutical companies, making their specific version of a drug distinct, while the generic name refers to the universal active compound. Understanding the difference between brand and generic names is key because it ensures you can correctly identify your pet's medication and discuss it accurately with your veterinarian. Pharmaceutical companies invest heavily in research and development, so they register a unique brand name for their formulation, which helps consumers recognize their specific product. This is similar to how human medications work, where a common active ingredient might be sold under many different brand names depending on the manufacturer. For example, a medication for pain might have a generic name of carprofen, but you might know it better by brand names like Rimadyl or Navox, each produced by a different company. To confidently identify the brand name, first, check the medication container or prescription bottle where the brand name is usually displayed prominently, often in larger font. Next, look for the generic name, which is typically smaller and underneath the brand name or listed as the active ingredient. If you are ever unsure, contacting your veterinarian's office or the dispensing pharmacist is always a good idea, as they can clarify any details and confirm the specific medication and its brand. A common insider detail is that the patent on a brand name drug eventually expires, which allows other companies to produce generic versions containing the same active ingredient. These generic medications are often more affordable and must meet the same quality and efficacy standards as the original brand name drug. Also, some brand names are specifically chosen to be memorable or convey the drug's purpose, such as Revolution for parasite control or Atopica for allergies, making them easier to recall. By understanding that pet medications have both brand and generic names, and knowing where to find this information, you empower yourself to better manage your pet's health. This knowledge allows for more informed conversations with your veterinarian and helps you track your pet's treatment history with confidence, ensuring they receive the consistent and correct care they need for a happy and healthy life.